What is up, all my gamers? Gamer guy here. Okay, don't pay attention to that. And I'm here with my second video. Okay. So, leave in the comments what you want me to do for my third video, because I have no clue. I'm just home doing nothing. What was I gonna? I think I know what I was gonna do. Let's go upstairs. Oh, sorry you guys can't see this. Here, there you go. I'm sorry if it's a little dark in my room because I haven't got my entire light fixed yet. So yeah. Sorry, this isn't a stunt video because I said it was gonna be for GTA, but I just couldn't get around to it. So maybe I'll do that for my third video. I don't know, but what I wanted to show you guys today is my Nerf guns. See, you can tell I have a lot of them, except for that tan one. I ain't really a Nerf gun. So yeah, that's what I wanted to be showing you guys today. So let me just make a place to sit. Oh gosh. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna be showing you guys my Nerf guns. First one here, which I really like, would be one of the snipers, which is pretty good. I don't know the name of it, does it say it? Leave a comment on what the name of this gun is, because I have no clue. I got this a long time ago. Okay, so got my sniper. And this one, this is my personal favorite. This is my personal favorite. It is the Demolisher 2-in-1. Sorry if I don't have the clips in them, just because I haven't used them in a while. The rocket should be somewhere around here. Oh well. Alright. Yeah. This is my personal favorite. Yep. Personal favorite. And what do we got next? Here we go. I got this one for my birthday a couple months ago. It's the crossbow that Chewbacca used in Star Wars. See? You just put a Nerf bullet down. It should have, here we go. Yeah. You just slide it right down in there. And then, oh, what the heck? Oh. Okay, this Nerf bullet will not fit. So, oh, here's another one. Will this fit? Nope. Okay. So, yeah. Crossbow from Chewbacca. It's actually pretty fun. Next, I have another crossbow, which this one is jammed. Like the string got caught. What's the name of this one on here? I don't see it. Sorry for that. When I dropped it. Yeah, sorry. There's no name on this. Leave a comment if you know what the name is. That's another song. Here we go. This one. It's a pretty fun gun. I had the wrong stock on it, so I'll just take it off. Yeah, it's the shotgun. I use this a lot in my Nerf wars. So, turn the stock out. Here we go. Yes, this is one of my semi-automatic guns. Yeah. Hold on, I have a clip here. Somewhere. Here we go. Now you can hear it. You ready? And then you go. Yeah. Pretty fun gun, if I say so myself. And down to our last one. Oh wait, no, I saw it. Oops. It would be the Retaliator. The end of this broke a couple years ago. Yeah. And I have the. Here we go. Here's the other one. Hold on. There we go. See? Bam. Okay, last but not least, we have the Jolts. Like the smallest Nerf gun ever made. Plug from the bottom. Put it in. And now, fire. So yeah, pretty good gun. It would just like, I wouldn't choose it in a Nerf war just because accuracy or like the distance when you shoot it ain't that good. So yeah, I might actually do a gaming video on Minecraft story mode. I don't know if I will, or Battlefield 4. Yeah. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.